In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection in both Cylia and Microsoft keyboards. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. Because here you can tap on System and Updates, then Language and Input, and finally one of your keyboards. Let's start with Microsoft because it's my default one. Click on it here, tap on Typing section, and use this switcher next to Autocorrect to switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip: if you decided to use autocorrection in your Microsoft keyboard, I would recommend to use this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace as well, because it's making using autocorrection even better. Now I will go back and show you how to enable it in Cylia. Click on it, tap on Input section, and use this switcher next to autocorrection to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!